Nick from Ireland has a question about cellulose insulation.
Yeah, he's building a home and he wants your opinion, Tom. Nick writes, I want the best bang for my insulation buck. And I was thinking about cellulose because it has a good R value and it's not as expensive as foam. And he says, I'm not a foam fan at all, which is right up your alley.
Yeah.
But Tom, he says, I have a feeling this isn't what you would have him do.
No, I wouldn't use cellulose at all, and I wouldn't use foam at all. You're eliminating the product you should use, which would be a formaldehyde-free fiberglass. It's inexpensive. It goes in very easily. The R value is fine, even if you have another inch or so in it. I don't compare R values to inches because it all goes by pounds. And use the formaldehyde-free fiberglass. That's the way to do it. Cellulose has borates in it. It deteriorates over time. It's made mainly from cardboard boxes. And the borates are a poison. That's why they say, oh, it's great. It kills roaches and kills mice. Well, it can kill you, too, if it's killing something. So be really careful with that product.
Now, they'll tell you that the borates are not that bad for you. You know, that not that bad for you. Kind of like I saw on TV last night, they're talking about these. And they're talking about the radiation these put off. And all the measurements they make for the radiation that comes off your phone is measured about this distance from you. Okay? How many people use their phone here? I'm just saying, I tend to use mine right here. How about you?
Yeah, okay.
So,
well, and
beware what they say is safe is what I'm trying to say.
The borates are a fire retardant.
Right.
And what they're finding out now with computers and everything else, all the fire retardant materials being used, which was sold to the public through a scam. I'm not going to go through the whole history. We don't have time. But they are doing measurements now and trying to correlate the different sicknesses and stuff people are getting through fire retardant chemicals, and that's what the borates used.
So beware.
Be careful. Fiberglass doesn't have any because it doesn't burn. It's glass fibers,
and it maintains the air. It doesn't compact like the other one.
It doesn't deteriorate.
That's what I was looking for. All right. See, that's why he's the home improvement guy, and he'll answer any question you have. Go ahead and drill him. Give him a tough one. Toss it this way. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. And we'll answer it just like that. And if you want to do us a solid, why don't you click on that subscribe button and click the bell, and we'll let you know when we post a new one.